Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Shafranda Raza and today I'm gonna make a video about my understanding from the material, and the material is about multimodality in this course. So multimodal how is the study how the meaning is made using by multiple modes, not just a language, but that modes include pictures, sounds, layout, gestures, sounds, music, etc. And those elements, those modes is combined to shape the interpretation so that to get viewers, to get engagement from the readers, from the attention of the people. So the multi-modal is about how the meaning is shaped by many modes, not just language, but also sounds, music, gesture, image, and etc. And we have multimodality and genre. So different genre using different multimodality. The for example, advertisement magazines use different type of phone and type of images to attract people, and it differs with the ATM mostly using pictures and the instructions to guide people to do the instructions. And then we have multimodality and newspaper using multimodality a lot. So for example, in the newspaper, big to clear, so there are big images and there are headline and then a short paragraph, so that's the images itself is represent of the what happened on that situations. And it differs with news websites or online news, like it just a big headline, an important news, a big headlines, and then a short paragraph or a short explanation about what happened on the situation, so that people can read, and then people can get, so that we can get the attention of the people to read the newspaper, to read the news what we want to share on the situations. And then we have multimodality and film using so many modes to tell the story. For example, the camera angle using the related sounds or the related music, and then using gesture and also the script, the intonation, and etc. So that's film using so many modes to tell the people about the story that they want to share, and they want to make people interested on that films. And then we have how to do multimodal, multimodality. The first thing first, of course, we have to collect the data, and then we have to make taking notes about the data, and then we have to analyze the component, the element that we already collect, and then we have do the interpretation of the data and then the analysis itself. But the multimodality have a weakness because it just focus on the interpretation. So as we know, everyone has their own interpretation. So between me and you have different perspectives, so that's it can use in related times or in some times, because yeah, we do the interpretations and then takes so many times, wasting so much times, because we have to analyze, we have to collect data, and then we have to shape the modes and combine it, and so we can achieve the meaning of the collecting data. So that's there are several weaknesses of that multimodality, and then it just focus on the outward interpretation, so they didn't care. We can say that they it doesn't care about the people opinions, or about people interpretation, reader response, so it just focus on the outdoor interpretations. And then yes, it took so many times. So yeah, we have what is multimodality. Like I said before, it is about how one meaning is made using by multiple modes, not just language, but there are sounds, images, gestures, layouts to make one meaning, and the modes is combined for the interpretation to get the attention of the people. And then multimodality in genre, like advertisements and ATM have using different multimodality to give the information for the people. And then we have newspaper, like in newspaper, big nuclear newspaper, using the big images and the headline to tell the stories. And then it difference in online news, it just using a big headlines and one short paragraph to explain about what is the condition, what is happening on the situations. And then we have multimodality film, like film using so many multimodalities, such as images, camera angle, sounds, gestures, scripts, pronunciations, the intonation, like that, to tell the story. And then we have how to do the multimodality and what is the weakness of the multimodality. So yeah, I think that's all about my understanding. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.